Hello there! In this video, we're going to delve into the world of Firebase and GCM keys on our admin panel. To start with, you'll need to hit Settings, and then move to the Admin section. You'll find a list of options here, but our focus today will be on the Firebase and GCM keys. Firebase offers a free and comprehensive analytics solution, providing insights into aspects such as ad clicks and app usage. It plays a vital role in user authentication and supports numerous functionalities like app analytics, crash detection, push notifications, and data storage. The GCM key, or Google Cloud Messaging key, is an equally robust, free service that facilitates message sending between servers and apps. Let's delve into exploring the Firebase key. Click on the Edit button, and you'll find options for both the Firebase and GCM API keys. First up is the Firebase API key. This key is distributed by Firebase for authenticating and authorizing Firebase service requests. It is crucial in securing the interaction between our app and Firebase's server. Next, we have the Firebase auth domain. This domain, linked to your Firebase project, is imperative for enabling Firebase authentication features. Moving on, we have the Firebase database URL. This URL is used to uniquely identify and connect our app to the Firebase database. It ensures a secure and authenticated connection with our data on Firebase. Then there's the Firebase Project ID. This unique identifier is linked to our Firebase project and is utilized in various settings and configurations to associate resources within Firebase. Next, we'll take a look at the Firebase storage bucket. This is a cloud storage space provided by Firebase, used to store data like images, videos, and user-generated content for our app. We also have the Firebase Messaging Sender ID. This ID is associated with your Firebase project and is used to deliver push notifications to mobile devices. Lastly, we have the GCM API key. This key, part of the Google Cloud Messaging service, is used for messaging from our server to our client apps. It's applied in our Android customer app as well as our Android developer app. Once you've added and understood all these keys, click on the Update button. And voila! You've successfully updated your Firebase and GCM keys. That wraps up our tutorial. We hope it served to clarify the use and significance of these keys. Thank you for watching.